Okay guys, ito po yung mga shower room nila at saka laundry room. So, hintayin na lang natin tawagin yung pangalan natin. Pangalan, yung number na. Hello guys, ito pakita ko sa inyo yung resibo guys, how much I paid for the shower. So actually my customer number is 31. So tawagin yan guys, may microphone yan sila, tawagin yung number mo and then may designated na shower room. And then you will have to enter that PIN number so that mabuksan mo yung shower room. Ang binabayaran ko guys is $16 for that shower. Okay guys, tinawag na po yung number ko at saka dito ako mag-proceed. So ito ang instruction guys, paano i-enter mo yung PIN number mo. Okay guys, enter ko muna sandali PIN number ko guys. Okay, bye-bye. Alright guys, so ito na yung shower room nila. So tingnan natin guys, malinis din siya oh. Yan, so I'm here in shower number 3. Sara na natin guys.